Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw reviews from Yelp to spreadsheets with AI tagging step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Yelp website. Sign in to your Yelp account using your credentials. Locate the business profile from which you want to withdraw reviews. Scroll down to the review section of your business profile. Manually select all the reviews you want to extract. Copy the selected reviews to your clipboard. Open a spreadsheet application. Create a new spreadsheet file for your reviews. Click on the first cell and paste the copied reviews into the spreadsheet. Ensure each review appears in its own row for better organization. Next, you will need to set up an AI tagging tool. Research and choose an AI tagging tool that suits your needs. Integrate the selected AI tagging tool with your spreadsheet application. Follow the tool's instructions to connect it to your spreadsheet. Once connected, select the range of reviews you want to tag. Run the AI tagging tool to analyze the reviews. Review the generated tags to ensure they match your expectations. Make any necessary adjustments or corrections to the tags. Save your spreadsheet to retain the tagged reviews. You now have a well-organized spreadsheet with AI tagged Yelp reviews. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.